Number 1. OneX Player G1. You need a powerful rig to play the best games, and you don't want something overwhelmingly bulky. That's why the folks at One Notebook built the OneX Player G1, a compact powerhouse for both gaming and work, running an AMD X370 paired with an Intel 255H. It's modular too, with a detachable keyboard, a 144Hz 2.5K display, and of course, built-in Oculink. The monitor provides a comfortable 8.8-inch screen that's sized just right for everyday use and features. A 2560 by 1600 resolution for crisp visuals. You also get micro switch bumpers, an esports grade Hall effect joystick, and LPDDR5 x 7500 MHz 64 GB of memory for heavy multitasking. Number 2. Lumos AI glasses. Let's talk glasses, and I mean all-day, one-charge glasses that keep you connected while capturing the world around you. We're talking 40 hours of standby, just 49 grams of weight, and the ability to shoot 4K photos and 1080p videos paired with open-ear audio. These are the Lumos AI glasses. They've supercharged these frames with ChatGPT 4o, and they don't even need a phone to stay online. Lumos AI glasses also support prescription lenses, making them practical for everyone, and they pack 3 array mics so your videos sound clean and your conference calls don't miss a beat. Low light? Not a problem thanks to AI-assisted fill lighting that brightens up the scene. Number 3. OSO AI earbuds. Earbuds that do it all. That's exactly what the OSO AI earbuds aim for. They act as an always-on personal AI assistant that delivers clean audio, records and transcribes your conversations, and even organizes your voice memories. All that storage runs on UniFi storage. The buds themselves deliver crisp sound and can transcribe everything from phone calls to Zoom meetings to media playback, letting you revisit what you've heard and build your own personal intelligence vault. You also gain access to the OSO assistant, letting you talk in real time with a personalized AI that reviews your recorded memory, keeping everything up to date for truly bespoke responses. Number 4. X-Ring D13. Control every device with the power of a handheld mouse. Yep, this is the X-Ring D13, an air mouse built for every device and every scenario. The controls are sharp, responsive, and there's even a built-in laser pointer for presentations or quick highlights. The X-Ring D13 is compact in form and plays nicely with smartphones, tablets, computers, TVs, and plenty more. This lets you shoot social content with precision without bulky rigs getting in the way. You can breeze through e-readers and scan pages like a pro. The team at X-Ring is even throwing in an adjustable elastic strap that locks in securely, giving you a customized fit. You get a 10-day battery, and the fast charging over USB-C takes only 1.5 hours. Number 5. Pod 4 Ultra. How much is an extra hour of sleep a night worth to you? That's 365 more hours a year. Well, the tech to make that happen is here, and it's called the Pod 4 Ultra. This system reduces snoring in real time and automatically warms and cools you. And the best part is it works with your existing mattress. The layer wraps around your mattress like a fitted sheet, intelligently heating and cooling the bed while tracking your heart rate and breathing to adjust as you sleep. The adjustable base syncs with the cover to lift and lower itself for optimal positioning and storage. And there's one more key piece, a hub that circulates water for heating and cooling and connects everything to the app. Number 6. Makaniki KT84. Ditch that plain old black or white keyboard and upgrade to something fun yet sophisticated with the Makaniki KT84 retro-style mechanical keyboard. It features a dot matrix display, a sweet see-through aesthetic, and a hot swappable gasket mount. The LED matrix is fully customizable, and there's a TFT HD multimedia screen that opens up endless options, from displaying system info to configuring keys and much more. It doesn't matter if you're on Mac or PC, Bluetooth or wired, the Makaniki KT84 supports it all, and it even works with iOS and Android. Small but mighty, it packs an 8,000 mAh lithium battery and 12 multimedia keys, giving you 84 keys in total. Number 7. Space Shuttle Watch. Style meets future and function with one of the coolest and craziest new watches out there, the Fitya Space Shuttle Watch. It features a wild space shuttle dial design with side time reading, plus a sleek domed sapphire crystal, and it comes in a futuristic transparent package with a quick release strap. This piece symbolizes exploration, innovation, and of course, style. It uses a 3D time display that really makes an impact. If you're after a statement piece, this is it. And it's not just for space fans either. It's perfect for tech lovers or anyone who wants to stand out. The Fitya Space Shuttle Watch lets you master the art of time telling and delivers very accurate timekeeping. Number 8. Edifier QR65. Music producers, get ready to monitor in crystal clear audio with the latest active speakers featuring a built-in GAN charger. These are perfect for desktop recording, delivering 70 watts of total output power with clean sound, full digital processing, and a two-way active crossover. What you're looking at is the Edifier QR65, and it even includes light effects powered by Tempo Abyss technology. You get plenty of connectivity too, from Bluetooth V 5.3 to USB and line-in, plus subwoofer and output ports to beef up your studio sound. Number 9. Tiny Edge. Portable shaving just got a whole lot smaller and more powerful with the Tiny Edge hitting the market. This is a multifunctional portable mini mobile phone shaver, and no, it doesn't shave your phone, it's powered by your phone. That's right, it's completely batteryless and operates with simple plug and play by inserting the power cord into your device's USB-C port and you're good to go. It's IPX7 waterproof and spins at 7,000 RPM, and it even includes an NFC module to draw power. There's also a built-in nose hair trimmer for tackling those annoying stray hairs. But the real highlight is that the titanium blades resist dulling and rust for years. Weighing only 68 grams, it becomes an everyday carry with essentially infinite working time. Number 10. Ivy Cable P6. Power banks. We've seen a million versions in all kinds of shapes and sizes, but this one switches things up. This is a 60-watt fast-charging pass-through cable that actually folds itself. Yep, a single everyday charging cable that snaps together magnetically when you're done. It uses pass-through charging to refill its own battery, and it works with both USB-C and Lightning devices while packing a 3,000 milliamp-hour capacity. With Ivy Cable P6, you're no longer just carrying a cable. No more forgetting to charge your power bank, because when you charge your phone, you're charging it too. No more leaving your cable at home either. The Ivy Cable P6 goes everywhere with you. Number 11. Garden. You can now reinvent your garden indoors with Garden, a planter that handles 30 large plants in under 2 square feet, and you can harvest in as little as 4 weeks, all without stepping outside. No green thumb required either. It's managed by built-in cameras and sensors with auto-adjusted watering and adaptive lighting to maximize yield. There's a self-watering 4+ gallon reservoir that handles hydration for you. Garden lets you grow produce without pesticides, from fruits and flowers to vegetables, herbs, and greens. You can grow your own peppers and tomatoes while using over 95% less water than traditional gardening. And you can choose from more than 100 plant varieties shipped directly with your garden from the website. Number 12. Obsbot Tiny SE. Ditch that old basic webcam and upgrade to the Obsbot Tiny SE, which brings smart tracking into your everyday setup. You'll always stay centered during video calls, and in real-world meetings you can accurately broadcast who's speaking and keep everything properly framed. You get 1080p at 100 frames per second or 720p at 120 frames per second. No complicated setup required either. The camera integrates with all major streaming platforms right out of the box. It captures more light using ultra-large pixels, making it perfect for gamers who stream in low-light situations thanks to the dual native ISO. Auto ISO adapts to any lighting conditions, and it's loaded with autofocus, so you're always in crisp, global focus. Number 13. Busy Bar. Meet the Busy Bar, your personal productivity powerhouse wrapped in a sleek, tactile package. Picture a big, bold timer that doesn't just track time, it demolishes distractions and keeps you locked in the zone. The mechanical controls are effortless. Flip the 5-position mode switch, hit that oversized start button, and twist the scroll wheel to set your custom timer without breaking your rhythm. Up front, a bright LED matrix broadcasts your status loud and clear, while a sharp rear OLED keeps you informed informed. Want to tie it into your smart home? No problem. Matter Protocol and Home Assistant support make it seamless. With 16 gigabytes of storage, USB-C fast charging, and a 3,250 milliamp hour battery, the Busy Bar is built for marathon productivity sessions. Ready to level up? And that's the list. Which gadget are you grabbing first? Drop it in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.